In this video, we're going to show you to install the map sensor on your INFINITI G37 X, located on the back of the intake manifold. Underneath the hood, you're going to locate the battery cover on the passenger side. You're going to press up on this little tab here, and then one on the other side, and remove this cover. Using a 10mm wrench, we're going to go ahead and loosen the nut on the ground terminal. We should be able to spin this terminal and slide it off and set it aside. Once you have the hood open and you have your ground terminal disconnected, let's go ahead and remove the 10mm bolts and nuts on the engine cover. 2 nuts on the front and 3 bolts in the back. Set that hardware aside. And then go ahead and grab that engine cover, and we're going to lift it straight up and set that aside. Now on the top here, this is our intake unit, and then right here on the back side of the driver portion is our map sensor. Now I want to go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector. There's a little push tab here. You can pinch that and wiggle that off, and if it doesn't pop off easily, go ahead and just grab a screwdriver, push down, and just gently push this back like so, and set that to the side. Now there's a 10mm bolt right here. Got to loosen that. And then remove it. Don't lose it. We're going to be reusing that bolt. Grab that map sensor. I'm going to gently wiggle this up. If you need to, you can use a trim tool or your screwdriver to gently help you work this up and out. There's just a rubber O-ring securing this in place. Just gently wiggle that up. And you can see that orange O-ring right here that secures that into the intake. So let's go ahead and move this aside. We're going to grab a towel or rag here and just kind of clean around this here. You want to make sure you have a good seal and there's no debris around that. Go ahead and grab your new sensor. You're simply going to line that up and work that down into the intake. Push that down. It'll pop into place. Go ahead and grab that 10mm bolt. Line that up. Go ahead and thread that in. Gently snug that down. Grab that harness, line it up, push it on. You can feel it and hear it snap into place. Once this is all secured, let's go ahead and install our engine cover. Line up the front on the 2 studs, and then install your hardware. Get everything started by hand first, and then we'll come back and snug them down. Install the negative terminal, snug down the nut here. You do want to make sure that the nut is good and snug. Don't over tighten this because you can crack the clamp. Give that a good wiggle, make sure it doesn't spin on the post. Grab the cover, install the 3 tabs on the back side of the tray first. Press down the front, snapping the cover into position. Now that you have this all set here, if you happen to have any check engine lights on the dash for those sensors there, you want to go ahead and clear those codes, take it for road test. At that point there, you should be all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.